producer mesraw ni dem get me Mirekuduka or mamene de say abran me Adea mempene ntwato so Adea mempene oti radio so na asem no na ase wo ka no na ase ekwa ha na ase me akora metia no me ka bi ma obi me mpesa. I have no interest in asamantamfo ekro, but my interest is kroma wo ho a Nana Danko Kufuado ehunu se metimi ama womu aye womu adwuma omu nse nsuo na omemrante ne mabunu enkrofatuo nkokro no bo na omatimi aye adwuma no a ense nsuo ense nsase na nsusu ye bebo omu ho ban na obi fi se otumi no osisi womu no
Kromwa bi o container wadi tuo na katum tete wo militia bre sa ble no achim da o ta militia fo ba o yakan agu empase mema to wirem ebi na asia samata fo ho no.
This is not allowed. Even if you have a certified tax force. Say utie Daniel Furiata or say na sem ne yetitia or say penina e ochenye ya motio for penny frame minerals commission. And a penny say or mumfa forest be a ma obi.
Asam de bra ehu.
And a person busa say enti ushe commissioning of community mining was a mantamfo no. Mirekuduka de ne pen ebeye yala.
Billboard kese si kwa ho da omo lunch say yakra road.
It is all over.
Obi ehu.
Eti no me no papa na sama all kase. Eastern miners 4% on ton omonton
ema wo mo.
Unim ade. Adea baako a DCs ni bi ene MPs ni bi a creative problem ama Nana Danko Kufuado. Community mining no, it is meant for the community, regulated by law. And as a siano omo launch community mining na etu wo hanoma no ma frɛ ye kawasema omo so Omanhene ya ba launch community mining amaye e cost 4 months ni ye started ube wana excavator tiesi asasina yesi community miners no nkoso no, which means it has been sold and no me nua ye friend kwaku
ne so
nua kwaku dia ka kire me say community mining no empanifo ne Thomas small scale miners no me ka ye no me de tuja ade che ye na ohene no benkumhene susu de de beto so
lanche no why na ne kuku odu setiti wuro ma afo a wo akoto am obi.
The issue is community mining no, you the said DC any MP in penny for on Sasso Muncha no regulate 82 million no DC ni MP sinsem
no crowd won't mean for penny bibia because embrabo
by into omoneton. Community mining is not supposed to be mined by excavators.
Hey,
oh, penny for no na man and adon says for mo. Jeba say akwakwa mu. No mo ka say
and defend it. That's why your party who don't see.
Dennis.
Na I say trying.
Ama akwaba.
Any pains.
Mama ni nkomo. So okay na o ka kire me say o fa ha no. O ye obi a ni odi djuma. Tan ne kran kan ni say ma betra ha kran. Dan ka ye kikaja gum.
Aman
Dennis, Mamintio.
Mechia tie for no ahwefo.
Yeah, jo so.
Na issue na mo kan bi o ha anu den. For the past there almost 1 week on say galamsey hu sem na aba.
That's right.
Especially you was santimamti chema won't media bempa. Na issue ya mo discuss is task force. Me wo your party for e wo krom ha bia. Omo shares ha videos no. Actually say chema won't me ami.
Go David.
And on the platform, some of us we kept quiet. But Sebani say abons and semna wotino. Those will be our ordinary dear. And sometimes the any day who on social media and no credit. Na community mining concept no most church no nyina correct. Community mining na nye obi ade ase the ama community say wo a wotikrum ho dia. Ebikra na tikrum na anya miner. Community mining no say obi a we interest in the mining e betumi abasa me kura me free district.
Also omo the excavators go community mining.
Eba na ebia yakọ hu ba bia e friend say agudi wo na yakoye map na dey accord district assembly na district assembly na twa letter to so say ebia company A, B or C identify this area na mo friends so mutu good ho yeye eno ntia forward to minerals commission to hwan na akodo ministry enti so munya achitai from the assembly na say ahemfo no ye bo mama na ABC DW near launch community mining na a project sometimes aya omo a omo spearhead man buy pa no be na small miners na wokudu no because investment ehia se come ansana omatumi aye so almost set even first aid niema bibiri e wo kwa so omo ye enti I do ba bia man cheche mu ni koyi a e manipa so e ba fom ka
won cheche mu no still am tie me ntiase
anti ubati ase ne se
kire mu ye
me kire se community mine na nya se koye no krum honti krum ofo na de bae e bia na investor bi na de aba enti omu wi ade ne se omo mutu sika kokko ho kwambo ne so no obi amra ho because normally almost set sa location is a main so the edika pa no e betumi kra ba say forest land and as sika wom ne atwa ma mo fanya community mining na mom de hia pa na say a main so so the be am polutu enti bia in the course of omaduma ne bi kra ba krake abo and some the excavator ne be dwa abo na excavator betumi akọ but the hia pa na say community for na wo ho na omo numa adwuma ne ye no mpeso mo ye bi no and so we create opportunity mo munya bi.
Beautiful.
So they will be free illegal mining operations and activities.
Beautiful. So this is the situation where as a man tamfo benkumine say ya betwitwa ya demarcate you ya sa demarcate zasna mama bunu no I say obi ade ni then one mining company say ne dia tiem you and almost say papa de buy no say mo dia enkrata akasa mama mineral commission lease timi ma utu mining no enkrata di adanse o ma hwe o mani ma abosome mienu o ma ama na otwe mienu o mko twitwa asase na amrante na tu de osebo ne anigye won sase no so no ena divisional commander LED oche mine task force say oche hine say ye mo na mane say tu commission ye tu mining to ono abusa minerals commission won kan ye say mobi. But it was the deputy minister for lands. One no baba ye. Mr. Mo tax force way. Chama won to minim who say. When obia fa bibia anko for it. Oh, and some ne bana yan kan ya. Na dia ko for it. Chama won to me or Samantha for the dia na wo ho. Isi region oni bibia ni ho. Ni issue kra ba ya konta mine ni ade. Also on krata odidi adanse. Deputy minister for lands say wa apply there nanso so omo ma final approval antino ontwe ne ho eno no ye dia ibetimaka wey has nothing to do with Chama Wontumi. You see kwakwa this very issue of community mining no empanimfo ni bi eyema maburu no nyina de anigye eko na fe omo hu hwe na on Ghana how to mean chantro small scale miners na catch them kwala no say mo community mining no aban ne be launch ye no mo mpanimfo na beto aman me se me di adwuma timio eti mo mra ne enkoye adwuma ebi mo also a we hwa asamantamfo a omo ana ahise omo ne ma omo ye eno na akofa ensem na ba genuinely small scale miner bi betimi akọ akọje prospect ni bibia di animu na one boys na carbon ho ene e wo de community na nso so lead a ebi omo MP na akọprabre wo mo enche bia MP deputy minister for agric Ogunde osi enche bia o ije ni sise ya ono na lead o manso adubiafo nso so be yo menye omo community mining enti anu so bo say MP na LED oye we nyina awie na obeti na ni na DCE small scale miner bi na ya say mrante ni bubefu me kwakwa me nigye ne ade a adwene pa na dan kwakufu ado epese mabunu omo ekoto amena mu wuo ene ohaw ne kwan omo fa so yade nom ne ade a all protect ya ebi mu fa kwambone so ma LGD mbone
I think the story now more narrative no nwa one because community mining no so mo be ya on say the concept ni nyina say aban ka say you be streamlining.
That's right.
Small
Yeah, the mrabeton.
A good year of former SSE too. You to me can see to name kwam krofafa so to no more sensual sensor.
Beautiful.
I don't tell aban pese regulating nyina you say ha na mo wa. Na ya mama say ya the nkrophobia ko school of mine start.
Yeah.
Ya mama special training say bo mu wie school a. Ya aban na fa bia adwuma through minerals commission ya station or more community mining sites because almost sua kwan fa so ya ethical mining. Into a more yes regulators some more field.
Beautiful.
Let's say over office no can say me call. They work on
as a agric extension officers to a mining officers. Beautiful.
Into a more to say I can say water gas our training was to try. I don't know see a bubble station post to say police force post to
I'll make you so be said
on the soldier for no corner palm
to say forest guards.
Yes, we would do best station or community mining no. So the rationale say even the occurrence and the concession any day no. So what the map no corner minerals commission for who say you will be concession pa. That's a community never boa ma. The ministry will talk to the concessionaire and make sure the ministry no mum and the be plead the concession part. And the community no. But now I'm saying the concession is yeah, aduma no mo ye wo ho ni nyina no. Omo be ma no percentage ka. And until be me wan so person che say no concession. No person can say ministry no na minerals commission in any incomo.
How?
They call lunch here because they don't do the work like that. Community mining sites look lunch organ na 15 per.
15.
So far 15 per. Into ba ku bia ya bia no.
Em running some kan ho ansa na omoye. Check ye say come launch ni na.
And me no ka say aban na ko cram fidi aba mercury free gold machine. Sebe ya omonsa ankofa mercury nkoye adwuma no with the aim so benya sika nenti aban ankofa machine we use machine na eno ankasa ma sika more than the mercury no de be ma machine ba akoye $120,000.
Whoa.
So you ask yourself say nipa send e be kura 120,000 and then they akoto machine.
You're talking about almost 12 billion.
Aban say all your miner now you're interested so your community mining safely now pursue use machine now just come and deposit 50,000 Ghana cedis we are the aka no mama time
and now that's it.
I buy an aqua cream feed and the last time I buy an over 100. And the aim is as a community mining site behind
machine back
you know. Said the TB and the between one free mining basa. And until another down cook for other corn walk. Will be of a cultural second where Jim will be a boy. But I quite to say, you buy and on a mujashi said that you had near my cornezo and a montuni be or Yam say a kakaka. Who ya so more small some quaid one, obeti enormous con promise over. Normally minus and Ankasaka, but now fear Chiloma Quay, Beba, Neighbor Bachelor. Then you know, when you soon so that's what I say. So, Manabamuni Jacono. At to her, just a gun mine on the Yabono once and for all. If you have been so near to me, who we will not know me, no. You be important so abano. And until I made the say, media no small talk, I'm a family. But the more you know, I said, do better for the fake news. Eba, and my whole reportage cry. Ebasa. Me tell me, I'm a chairman, only Mr. President, and one of constituency chairman. Well, your honorable Adam, somebody but don't know politics or Kruma Chapa. For some reason, they've fallen out. And was me for who sends some baby, no, you got your chairman, presiding member at the same time. Sometimes with that party not to not assembly members, you got it because party in the DC Yamodia. Because if you are DC in T party, no. And Ama was me for a bit messy. Matter say honorable Adam, so see tape, no, and then the voice say a doctor. And Dr. Tape would be Ghana. Maybe expert. Oh yes.
Okay.
I said on send seven voice in the voice.
And no.
But come I didn't know baby no. I had to say
yes, Sunny I can shame.
Otabe there be about 2016. You go far away near now be message I converse. I know person worker. But I believe say the regional minister or Krumano, you know. Now, passes and the presiding member and assembly members and the Bonamania. My friends are among to be a fatase or Mutu number 2. When it was on a boy at dance issue, no regional minister and Cassane, the regional chairman Kukrumko. They went there, sat down with the assembly members, talked to them. Because all a party now I buy Munasa or Kukumbia, do baby. Young Glen Tokonina said, I will be sorry, I went this for sorry, finance minister, as president. Was when this for a canipe can't Adana Mayino Modi. We are moving in this for the actual vice president in India, now in India. So do be a president once a uti as a we will have a 73 back. Now the call from was my friend who so pronounced. But this are buying betty. I buy betty na ya no baby I say no transit kasa say nipa ba corner say obekona be minim say aba be dey train. But mine na ye kan no. Ayete do baby a NDC for ye, MPP for ye. NDC ni ba betena be kaso MPP for na ye. What I say? Me no kasa se sie. Me no ade ba de no obi frame na san so honorable Collins da mo peso so nyina ono erikopokum nyina mo ye bi. So akane sa. As you say no kreme kudu ka ya opeso ofrani. Obi ba kan to se me kudu ka crown abo no. Takwa no so ye mine ni bi. And so at the end of the day tokwa na wo kono. Na ye politicizing it too much. The politics ne ba mu bebra. Akwadwo pipra NDC for akwadwo pipra okroma da bia okase. Da bia amini district okroma da bia okoye mine.
Yes, small scale.
Yes,
legalized.
Okoye kra no anya asem. And so da bia oye no ho se de NPP for nkwa na ye mine. And so adwuma na kwa bibia. Ye tie ho ase se NDC ne di MPP PNC bia di kwampa so a. Meji dis enya bone. And now on one show no be say homo friends a politician bia no ni kwa so ye mine. And I'm say one thing to be against human rights because I want me I make choose so adwuma me person me. Jama won to me for instance became a miner and some over join MPP politics. And it is also a politician if you know adwuma ono ba we ase no friends over ye no. Onya ya but position bi so ho nya de ma wa won to me ye ba power 2017 ekosi be 2021 finance anko the concession hoda. Because say kona na president alliance so no ankasa koso ye na adwuma se de no ye na on be ka say
or saying
president. But what I say, and then I started so I adwuma on the concession that did daba. Meaning how he's going to revise his position. Okay, baby, I'm there. The end see no argument. And I say some boy hono. Some matters for no too good instead of India. I dey am no. And you no friends a concession now. Apply him say say concession and one ba. Some no mo nya man release no. O ma gazette in his name.
Tebrino.
O ma gazette sa forest ne wo akonta mine dim o gazette him say wo and so he feels he said be aduru ne de nsa kan wie and so twa nua ampa na so ode nkrofo akohye mu di gold no de am gold no ayede ma me na wafa kwan foforo bi so edi enti and they ba sa nkrofo no ntem o matena ha ya adwuma for so many years so akonta mine ne some artists for na ya adwuma wo ha che say samra boy ho no
omu nyina e 2 gold no
da bi omu de ye nua
ena akontanso to ni gold
but acquire a forest way back particular one way na ba ho asem aba no
ena omu me no tinyo ahwe aba obi a person no take you over
obi a friend say we be ka say be twanu anti ada na otu go we so gold no enya mfama ena some artists for no CEO no a board member of a minerals commission so ho nti asa ne nsem odin ewo ade na ye ni nyina so ma dede aba wan hwe atoda won fo adwene nkode abaye no so o ma sisi ana ye kasai sa community miner no ba bia sisi ye bia MMDC especially o mo keka mo so mo tena ho ma ada miners a mo kro musika lidi community mining crusade na se wie na se ko di o mo nsama se de tie bia no ye nya de ye pe ema community for no because on the sika di ani mo finance eduru ho a se de mo kan obetumi akofo obi okres kakase a ono so de be ma no no aton ama no ye wi ese mo mpanimfo ba community miners not for the MP it's not for the DC for nipa o spearhead ye obi company no bia o de ye enti ese by this time assembly na ankasa wo especially ye regime o mo ankasa nkeka o mo
no mo
lead no mo register se ne ya akra no better company in the name of communities na ankasa they should form it and spearhead it so that the basa na otumi ka se krum ho hene ana odi kru oka committee na manage no assembly ye nipa nie minerals commission district bi e wo mine we bi omo ho said ye ba ya ade na ye no ye betumi aye ne and the fight against galamsey edin because ministry na nkasa sika bi o de fight galamsey bi ni ho once the kura ni ho kwa assembly bi a
nkwa assembly
omo ma assembly ni budget bi a
omo ana de omo ade
na so omo manage omo ayi anti galamsey project enti assembly ni to ho ono na wan hwa so kofa police fo na soldier fo ba so de be pre galamsa bosumi bi ezo tieska menim se man so do bia for instance every month soldier fo a e wo area ho mo 45,000 or more every month sa aka no koya assembly dey be then watumi sustain enti ne Abai said the last thing I pass here and see by Lanche district mining task force. IDC, you know, na chairman. Minerals Commission near Ohobeba, Ahemfobeba. And in that sense, Honorable Yard, and so for instance, I'm asking my so Bibi Basia see Akotu Galamsey, whether I change the voice and I and change the voice, oh, no ye the beat and a country Ghana for say Unum Hoshe. Go on, that time they said to me in the final one, Ashen's. And they do to us will be the crater for Minerals Commission, but said the Hamana, only here. Because on my way, we had the Omanhene Yaw and Timana move.
With that task force, no, Nana Matrankuja,
Omokahubi. Stakeholders and Martin assembly, no Ankasa assembly members, no, and no Ubia Umubi. And so our composition, no. Say we a district chief executive near so your chairman. It just say if we hawk on the galamsey, young kum frisro. Kuno, one the horns one I boss said, what now? It is our argument and over TMMDC's minimum share. And I am Mama Maniano Ebika. And it's hard brandy and Casabre in the tea that board, and so on Casabre be a command at the Fasicai. Because Sabrandy, I know you need to mean him so master tea. I launches our committees in you or not for Minister Nashabo said by the next 1 month. Umbe launches our committees in it's about 130 something in all the state. I 2 mining room. I'm afraid that's our task force. No, let's say you man last once and for all. Because Omanhene Yaw said there be a conflict crying. No, be now minus and my brother brand say, oh, how no be for car is all about me national security. National security near or no galamsey site now over the obi to me by no soldier atari because the 2 minute soldier for and the police for work room hakra to me 2 free kumase. No, I'm coming in last week. Soldier for the police for because I say, as Uncle goes, and be my police in back of time and movie. As to say, Tonsuma,
Okopedio.
As to say, I no operation, your sunshine, and I and sunshine. This is what happened. And acquired, yes, it's a quiet trend. Into minus in I so much no moon because I bind power directly now, how but people
security agencies.
And they say, there's a committee in Banner DC, when police commander, or on the 2 hours. Also, Obi me say, Druba be Krumha 2020. Now, your constituency for be free. Why, wait me, I so be sure national security in charge of their surveillance, the inspector and teacher mining assassin. And I think see a mark pine on the door. I'm on Crawford, will take advantage and not take care. And I bind our opportunity when I will take it. They are the last one. Onye na minister bujina po onzo ba energy wonu mo no Ghana fo nya gidi and that energy say one to me am fa nya bibi na afi we kwa we ya Ghana fo be di ne ho ya and me feel so say or ba ya ade a e bi mada and the drones na no kwadwo pepra kwotana ba be say drones kura ya obwa ona ma no aka bi ade e say yakofa drones aba yakoto navy boat ama for the fight against galamsey yakofa anti-mercury machines ye training water gas ye nyina ye ne kan nyina bom na ntimi ansi ani then at that time we cannot be agreeing say ya fail and until difficult na ya ma yen say be ko galamsey no but me dey say community for no pa no part of it so me beti ase na o man kasa te ase say adwuma no so me da hom de me abeye wo mo akuruma obi ntimi fra bonte me because ba o ma bechew ase kuro bi ol kokuro no ma say o kwa bonte na ye kuruma ne na the taxi ba du ba bia be stop because kuro no ma fence o mo ho kuro ni finfin no mutu galamsey nto mo pese o ho be gura ene wo hu de o mo ye nto yo ho a wontimi mfa ka me wura ho ene a ofiri wo kuruma so na akona ba o ka me wura sa kuro wi so man ko ba man ne a o be de wo because e kuro ni nyina adwem po say ye say e kuro kuro a wo hene no bedroom or that bedroom o as a one or too good urasa asena so one bedroom oba no abeda ne mpaso ade cha no matiasi so the fight no eduba bia ye ma ne ye aban sa ntokwa we no ano ode megide sese kromafo no nyina be ka bom no ma protect omu kro a protect omu nso anya do be man krofo kwan ye nyina onim se kroma galamsey ne ye kan bat nso pa ye wo ye ya na ekomu kosa nso no nyina krofo ado ho ama nso no nyina we enti aba ye ka galamsey dia na ye kan bat ne man ketenkete esensu bibiri na oman aye over the years ye besre obi anka ho bi na ye nyama ne nyeye na megide se adwuma media no maye ne de maye bi obi antimi mfa so bo momo maye bi pa na nyame mo aye na dodo bia be omo nyina nta yachi omo ta yachi be yi
Dennis Kwakwa, communication officer. I'm say the watch church name why are there pa me feel say Eniema mame ne eye tofia kwa Dennis mame nya ne kodi adwuma ne ko to adwuma so pa cho me ma kwan na microphone kwa me nsoma Dennis nyame nka ho a ye bedi nkomo they say o microphone kwa me nso yo tu kasa wo kai wunyai Tofi bo kwa Papa Tofi bo say
I don't know.
Okay. Penny coffee man. Now relax. Na sorry. Baby too.
And then who say obre kopa na erisima kakra bi. Afutu bi a dog say memfa emma Ghana fo nyina titru. Oman me giri say dwumade amoye e dey fight say galamsey ye be jai no. Say ewo sunsanso ewo apomden ho. Oman no kurani say onipa nim sade ensuo bu anipadua menim sada kro ye benya bre na ya kire nsuo de ye ma nipadua.
Oh yes.
Na ebeboa yen ama ekon ya ye kun no obia de ne ho agim akon atia sade ebeya oman ye betima tenase ache ayeti say ye twadua edua etwato a ebetwa free wiase no bribi ebetumi asi eti dog say yentu ye hofo na yenka nkyere ye ho se yenhwe se yense yensu we Dr. Blessed Foster, the award winner 21st clinic, the sciatica expert papa ono ena anopei wasemi ni kan fa sa futu we emfa ema eba 21st clinic a me kanitia wase ye won krabata edu enwotwe ena ewo oman mu na yato apete enkrabata no baako ewotema enkran nankasa no ye wodome.
Okay.
Ye wo kaswa ye wo goso kumasi ye wo hwa obasis wanchi ye wo ho wanchi kra de cramostos ye wo ho sunwan kane no say kane wo koto krom say regional hospital no ni first gate no ye ne no ena edi enhwa animu brekum ye wo ho tachima ye wo ho takrade East Legon ho ena research center no ewo ena enkranza headquarters kofodua enkoko dome debi so dwabo so udru takwa sisi a yani Roman stores ena edi enhwani mu sanso ena udru oboase a yani Court Junction but o man 21st ewa sembi a yeka yesi ansa na obanum adru no hwehwe nipaduan hu yare kro ansa na wanom adru on se wo 21st clinic din a adwene ba akopɛ ba utrim eyesi atika I say wabo Omanhene din obi anim say morning show there otena dwamu a otensem sana 21st etie tu bisa abrowa akokra abranti ababa wa ne nkwada nketo akora no omsore a na omo to siatica nyom adenti afi say na ye yade a metimi aka ne pen say 21st clinic na ye research fam fie be ye 9 akire ansa na ye hunu sa yade ene ho asem but na doctor say mintu obi afo say enam se yasem ba ko ne se hwehwe woni padua mu ansa na wanum aduro no ena enum aduro bra wunhunu yare kro no emu ba ko a ose me mmɔ ho nka ye eye se oman ye wo hoyi se obi frɛ wo phone so sisi ya no ka kyerɛ se anadwi me yem keka me no me yem ye me ya wanhwe ya oman onye doctor nanso wo ba ka aduro bi a kyerɛ no aha ene konum wei saa na ekɔ na no me no me ye koye hey oh my we are at we the afro
yeah we have just kawasa where they
yeah adie we kuni bo
empe so amawi
I was ya for the tia wo mni say oh my enemy pese ya dwene niema ketua bi ho sima ba mienu miensa so obi sore no se ne yam ye ne ya enemy kire niema ba ko mienu miensa bi a ebetumi aba se eye no a nanso enam se yaka ma na ka ye honti no obi boss wa se meyem ye me ya no na wo kire na duru a wo nkonkoto eye haw kase pa oma onim se obi endi wemi a onom sunsunra yem betima ile ya
eye dangerous Sure.
Enti on say obi boss wa say me ya no. Eno an say obi di adwene say
no magazine.
Yes. Bi kura ho a.
Ba ku bi o mo say.
Translate
yes. Na Pepto Base. Pink color bi o ba.
Enti o man ene Dr. Blessed Foster or say eno nti na wo ba 21st clinic a yentimi ma woduro bra yenya nhwehwemu.
That's right.
Ehunu ade no a wo ka no ba bi efiri a eba. Eti one sa niam me boss yi ti say obi a ontai num sunsunro etima oyem ye oya. Oma ye wo stomach ulcer ho. So se etoda nso a wo yem betimi aye oya e free stomach ulcer. Enso wonim etu nya ka se oyem ye oya na obi aka cho se kota duro we no. Wonim say typhoid credit mi ma wo yem ye oya. Etoda wutimi nya pain pa wo yem. Na nya hwe o typhoid na akofa sa ade na ba. Eti anopa yi no doctor simin kan cho se ne nkra bata bia ma boss wa kire wo no ne number ne de ma ka cho se 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. Enti de doc simin kan cho ne se wo yo bi a uta complain se wo yem ye wo ya enkonuma duru biara keke Bora 21st clinic aso ye bia ukwa wo de ositofia kwase memra na me beyen hwehwemu meta complain abi ho na me yem ewo me toda na ye me ya etu say maka sunsunro se wonnum sunsunro a sunsun tima wo yem ye oya typhoid su timi ma wo yem ye oya.
That's right.
Stomach ulcer timi ma wo yem ye oya o man eduru ba bia Maria kura wo benya no etimi ma wo yem ye oya but wo yes wonim ana otoda so obi kura wo ho a o cancer ewo ne yam erso timi e di pain ba wo yam eti anopai no afutu a dog se me mfa man wo yese biribi nsi kwa wo na ansa na obeti se baabi ye wo ya no e bia baabi a wo dwene kɔ no o man na enya ho a enam se sa niam a mabobɔ so nyina timi ma wonya yam pain power wo yam no afutu ni se wo obi a wo ta experience sa de no a bomodin se wodi woni be che 21st clinic aso ye bia kokoje ayaresa na wodi okoduru ho a ositofia akwase memra ye wo discount ai de be ma fi se da bia me ni dog me ba na masre ni se ene obi bi obekọ bia no omonti bibi so kakra e man because ene no emu aye den kakra na dog so da bia se mo me kan o se Jesus ano oman ye sure pa se eduru Sunday na o ma me kwa sori bana ni ntuma bi hia no or the say homa so na o man ukotwam na ukosom so di agora onfa ho nche okora uti anya abaji koto saa na tie ya maame no ntoma papa ehia wo no mo ba bi wo kora no doctor say ono de se de nyame ye no no ono na japade ye nkrofo a yade etete o mabrabo nti wo ba ne nchen a wo hu hia ni nti no eni gisem ni se wo ba kora wa ama no ne na okra no se okọ 21st clinic a open home information nyina e wo ho kwan ya obetimi afa so nti o man me tu obi afo say 21st clinic enya sciatica nko o pain e wo yemu a anase yade bia etete watena wo so ache no bomodi se wode wani e be kire ya so ye nkrabata dun wotwe ba bia bebo awura bia no 21st clinic doctors na ben ye wo mfidi a yade ye nhwehwemu eno edanche a scan bia pese wo twa nso no wo ba ya so ye ya na ye de ma menka na minsi sudua se abibiduro nko a na yade ye adwuma number no 0540
0540
311
311
311
311
0540
0540
311
311
311
311
Yawo tema kaswa takwa kumase oboase sunwan goso wanchi brekum tachiman takrade islegon nkranza kofodua nkoko domi debiso ene dwabo so ti o man medisia na mede doctor enchia amobi also obi anhwe ne ho yie na ene owo tetara haban so
yeda no asepa 21st clinic eno ano no sciatica experts any all other na yebebo modern ani kwa me redu so atwetwe nkomo kakra na yebekọ airport runabout shortage of ECG eno amobe kaya ECG prepaid units Sam George the krata bi beto ho on the tone the Facebook page na asama o kan nyina ne se office openina ya yi ne foforo no ECG boss no de akoba no se nkrofo pese o mo sabotage no waba bonten se nyesa na emom problem bi eno mo ye dey o munyae mama ne kwa me ready ntwetwe nkomo na yenhwe airport runabout ne domo a abodom pem ho kwa me wache
Jaja o mai
I na how to say
nyanko pa du mai me ho ya pa
se sia fa porti na wo
o mai no pe me no ka se dia me gina masi airport runabout ECG o ma se ka se wa hanu ana sa be ni wo o man si sia da pesi
free last week na wakwa pra na na okopie ho so wo mo se say
o mai sadia wakanya no use kona wotwe na yen kan se enuri kura ka be dakubi na wotwe adura ECG omo network ko ye ma ekofa awade abre atimemufo a titiro asantiment mu hade na ekama se amanfo se bomuti yenum kania wo the whole Ghana na nsoso na akoyo hawa ma wona wo mu de titiro prepaid for no ye de card be toro omo dia na assistance ni nyina ene na wotwe ebe nya omanse de wodi kanka ma bohu ananti ya na yenu se anye yi kura ndie nkenne anaso na wotwe ebe ye meminda no ene nya na ntie se afi na anyama tutum ama amanfo ahyase ekotobi ene se na wo commercial akodo wo na ehon ye quarters na district headquarters no na won de utu se ye ho na amanfo ebu nkama faso a omo editor to bia na enu chire ya de se ne ye obo nan ni aba omo so e kase e wo airport runabout o man be ba ha no mpirifo mati ase se you dey the network in aba na ba na aba no enu ma ku do mi ense le wo ba ku eye card no nkase no wo hwe omo logo na e wo ho no a enu no esu ha card no enu na ye adwuma ye tosu mi enu nso so eye logo no so enu so de nchen kakra bi e wo card nso achi enu nso so e wo ho ana fi ye san so wo code wa enu nso so se wo office ha no a na sa wo code no ana se wo di ne ka ho asem na cheska bia ye bo ne papa se attend se kugu wa yi so wo fie na sa ahudu wa miensen o man emu ba ko pe ene sesi etumi ye adwuma
okay enti dia na ye adwuma no dia na ye adwuma isi ano
lego no ede nkem kakra bi no ene dia manfo entumi enye bi
kwa me radio sesi a me ensana aboboso no dia na ye adwuma pa
amamba do blebi mu a
me say me ensana wakeka no dia pa de sesi a ye adwuma
oman si se dia ye adwuma pa no eye dia logo na ede achi no ketete no a blue no ana o ma chance dia ye yisi ya chance dia no ede achi ketete no a ye blue color no ede achi no anu ene ye adwuma minu akare dia nya dia etumi eye adwuma na anope no yebedu ha no man nipa doma ebe halu
kwa me tobu die nkyere mu ye kwa me
aha mi ti o
o ka se logo no a card no also ba ku bi won na ECG logo da chire tatrata
yes
enu na ye adwuma
anu na sei
na mienu no ye de ahia chire mu ye mienu no ye de ahia anya adwuma no enu ye de ahia
ye adwuma no eye dia enu omu logo no so da nkiemu kakra bi e wo
ya kiti bi no
no enye adwuma na fi code no so ayeto na me wo ba na se wo code no na se na se wo wie ehun akachia ye bo no papa ma wa na ya send ade akwa akogu ofie
okay
ni ana sabu ya make say
na chese si ano what it means ne say ukuta ECG app na ultimate talk credit o
amai pepe
go ebi mo e app o mo de talk credit you say app no nya adwuma okay
sabu ya make say die wo ma mu betumi atobi eyesa etobia na medical ache o mu logo kese no edechi no wo mo
enti si ano u be di line swa na ukuta ketwa ibia eduru so ane ka kire se kona wo de ne nya adwuma ana o ka kire se wa ukuta ketwa no
njimu kakra mo de abra wo mu se ya regiment bi aba wo mu se ye bi se ukuta card ketwa ni bi wo se ani logo ketwa na ewe chi wo se ani ni ama mo group wo admo sabi ya mkeze mpenifu aba be ka kire wo mu se omo hwe bre kakra bi no wo tibi no pepe na omo baaye na omo se akama mi jedu no a omo de to omo so na penimu no ba no ba be kan se o ba be ka kire wo mo se Christmas abre no de enye ready kra anase aba wo twen se ya o mo be se adie na se a o mo betum bia ma manfo eno so ye Boakye bi din abre o mo twen nemu code ne de o man nya ade a eno no yaka ho ase bia
ti ubai wo mo ho ni bia ene o mo ni nkomo ahoyehia wo mo namu
ayo mama hwe se
ah se obenya no be kasa nso dia why ni entie wo mo
asin e de ba super FM mo ati de ba super mo asin e de ba super FM okay wo ba ha se obeto de yin am be to card card one ye wo wu ahodmo mienu wo se ba ko no le go ni de chire ye ene ba ko so e den hemu anase wo ba ye no che no mo se achire mo achire o se bia isa me buy no card na me kura the logo de chu I to no it will be you say no market me buy no mo se me engine number by me engine number na wi en na mo ina mo isu pade no mo se mo ntwen en de nyamba na e ko what they should be the same or me madam be 2 days 2 days here na wo den ya and then waba so it na anything for any dey now but the sabe you be menya you new back so any thing come ka ofeni me kasa wo wadaruma na yehwe you ni ko ka me hwe ko wadaru me ma wo atin e de ba Sompa FM so anu patin you no ba ha so beto power e go where is who can dey yin be no ba so assembly ni am be but yeah if I worry power another one what I got to start 3 days now almost 3 days in India I'm up say you like to me the phone and yes ya wo sponsor to me ya something no the phone show no monte to no my ye no my Ghana because can ya dey who say me here ye fa it is a management or say you made it manage yes if you be change me who say public sector mo change be change now be no have say yeah line there on me buy so obi ni ho dey made
okay Kwame
amai
get other details do me no kase no na de tie bia wo de ama wo why me da CP na into aso free ha asem na ayire ehase be kobe na wo twini ebi manya bibi munya bi na wo hwe oman mu na kanea ne ade ebi mu kire se ECG ho prepaid no software bi na penifo be so mo investigation into it because sika bi nyunu worth about 200 million Ghana cedis a month penny oda no dugma ama babontin say it's not sabotage na h be musu fi say ono so buy we detect sa anomaly no any sa corrupt practice no pese or stopping na penifo bi or so pese beba sa na ehu akoba asema obi akotamper with the software no na go create a problem. How true that is another story. God no emu ababontin say ntisa. Edi wo na yese o ya ade na wa so se ntisa. Me na metra me ka se ntisa. Mama your birthday quickly na me ma Francis Dodovi Honomo. A former parliamentary candidate for NDC and Swami, a leading member of the party and also a former assembly government appointee and a former another doors. Happy birthday to Sister Fosti, aka Mama of Christon T Electrical Shop, Accra. Sister Fosti, Mama of Christo in T Electrical Shop, Accra. From your sister-in-law Angie. He is in charge of cleaning works here. The company na cleaning her kama. Sister Angie or so Mautinka. Then this one is Madame Teresa Kofi Santasi from Ruth Boakye daughter, 21st Clinic of Boakye branch. Madame Teresa Kofi, who was Santasi. Kakari Belinda Airport School Bokrom. And then also so your birthday. Belinda Kakari Airport School Bokrom. Also so o birthday no. There's a nina the ding. Na bibia kama. Na ye koya nima no. Brothers. Baba.
Yeah,
I think come on to every on chair. Yes. Francis Yamche, this galamsey menace. And the way forward. Because and a mirror hokakra say I buying make effort, but Eya Kamia say on one so no nipa ne nkrofo and a twene sign. Mami ti anope.
Yo me da se. Mama so me phone ya.
Mami fa tuja ye be kind mo messages kakra na the complaints no ya too much say they send messages via Facebook and YouTube. We don't read them. And you know, Aki, in the course of the discussion, get it ready for me. Why? But that's it. Mami too.
Yo am gibre na me chia so me phone. Na galamsey issue ya. Ye two abama abai so solve problem. Ala mebwa. And is abai no akazakra gine semu a and they kwaya na say bai. We said did we go or did we come?
Did we go or did we come?
Ye two abama abai say unsolved problem. And he said me am your position me so a. Wa woni to me who so a. Government should not be saying also crying. Government is supposed to deliver. Anamwa. Kwakwa na me pese woko. Na pese wo chance na wontie bi. Say enya sermon any preaching be a wo ba preaching ni pon ho asem na yedru no. It is about say the mandate amo. You have all the security apparatus in the world. The military, the police, the security intelligence, the national security, the BNI, among many others. And I gonna for nyina de to me na mani pa baako. And I would to me no bi ama aboji na po. Wo fi say a young man obetime ye adwuma no. Ama esu aba mfa so ama my Ghana. No problem. He went through vetting. He's our minister. But one omo kasa na ya adoso. Aboji na po na kasa krasa ya gine nsem. Ana ya meboa. He's also crying. Na minister na wo no, what to be instructing growth for usu a. Na ya ayeti e kire na aye ni to me bia. Enye den. But I am mind so na ya chiche. O man penyi di ni presidency a two line so. Ana meboa. So what is all this? Me, someone akwakwa besa mo ha no pa we no. I'm not interested in it a bit. I want results. Ya to abama interministerial task force. With the helicopter na wiem, what should degradation cause so Ghana ha nyina. So what it means that you have a very fair idea of Niama Ekoko so mine. Anamebwa. So what is the problem? What is the point? Who the soldier for ako? Who the national security for ako? Who the police for ako? E die nti no muntimi nya adwuma no. Yeah. E dey no muntimi nya adwuma no.
That's the question.
Because we are talking about
asked last time.
E dey no muntimi nya adwuma no. But you see, what I know is that abujina pon enfiswa. I pity that young man. Because I'm penny for am wo aban wemu e na ye galamsey no. E jo bia ni ho betimi a stop penny bia won wo department na chi a wo betu no. Enti e kasa o tu so no kwa pa ba. Yo, take it from me say a penny for pa wo aban wemu e na ye galamsey. Right from presidency down to whatever. And penny for pa wom. About 2 years ago, the case was Eastern region. Our party boys, Kwaji national security number plate na there. What has happened? Say what? Sangro from moving, and your man penya so no moving. They say bia dwana kwata America. Alamewa. So what are we talking? And then penny for wa buy mu pa na ye di dwumadi. Because look, an ordinary person why any gather and sell getting no. Oni sika akwakoto machine be $120,000. Alamewa. Machine was on top back we be almost to be top by 4-5. Close to be $1 million. And who duty now there? Now $1 million ordinary person. And these are people in high places. These are people with connections in government. People with sa pedigree no our presidency it be a party apparatchiks senior party MPP party people so na make sure ko your brother say galamsey no order no small scale mining and order man no ala me wa anu say legit abani recognize you no at a point that na abani ko transit negotiation as to the way forward and the kwakwa so utie me ko your brother no kra no he's even helping the government to solve this problem because omo ne momo and this infiltrator be here the bar omo no muti blue alarm le because what you say anti enya say bia ko you prepare NDC ni anti NDC for ye galamsey na there as a matter of fact as we speak now MPP for no ye galamsey more than NDC for e bia omo wo district na there kura now omo ye na kete no omo pam omo nyina efi wo enye excavators and omo de you one of those they say na omo call from to from no omo call say ka titi there
shovel no
na there omo pam omo nyina omo pam omo nyina because omo buy na power and that is a fact opa fine opa you to opa men you but that is a fact and ti ade na ya ko no yaw e ya ban mo mpanyifo na yes adewe government communicators pa they can dispute it that is their own headache
Asamaitan for yeah gangsterism street gunshots no many Adea na ekoso no
ya
nim say wo hu bi
wow sanipanya tumia de ebani me sure say wonim say Daniel Furata right
yeah state secretary ochima
enye MPP tumi ena abedi omo ha den na wo team mobilizing crofo a boat was street in that brazen manner. I'm just asking you. To me now, because omo cousins no money no money na abai mo penny for. E be executive secretary, e be a finance minister. We. And so na to me kitomo. Yo. And what has happened to my penny boy is on here. As I'm see about 4 days. What is all my issue statement be condemning the act? Okroma Jesu na ACA. Sa kwamba issue statement.
Okrom Kote.
Okay, Jesu one got now. Okrom Kote and kwamba was my issue statement. Either by the interior minister or the defense minister. You na mebwa. What has happened? Adea na AC. Ye bubo tu pe. Now when I said the NC oboko ni Ibolgano, anya bia. Some crofo bubo botu akefi by. Anya bia no. Why must you and bind to me now? I say we don't give a kind of sample.
Don't use the F word.
I shouldn't use the F word.
So kind. I said on tree break. Marvin Tio.
Break man or Chelsea.
Marvin Tio.
You are what I say. And they say, and yet, and no, as a month for one. I had an anchor on mine to a state a secretary. Ochimai state there. Maybe so a state there.
Nah, Chairman state.
Ochimai state one.
Yeah.
Should be na no ya nso fa kuro no.
So galamsey ya na afa ama ensu afa kuro.
Chebi e dey na wacha na. Kromo nya on left right ya did galamsey o. I don't ko wache.
Me nkai the last time I'm fa.
Why me?
O da be na ko fa chebi.
Lebi na me ko fa chebi so no dey.
No.
Na wo ko chebi da ba make am asma
me ko chebi 2 months by.
Wo ko chebi a left and right nyina wo free kromo akwa me akra road a. Etu galamsey o. Na da wo galamsey no hu. Etu galamsey hu. We ni nye. Asama na kwa we kan. Yaw, me say makoda ade ne mame. Ofra hefi o sie me ko chebi. Me ko chebi left and right nyina no. Ye galamsey. Am makro no nso to ya afokro no.
Oh, but that's now.
Na sama na wo kan.
Let me mo my flooding no why.
Na sama na wo kan. Na nya no tia na tina chebi. What in penny sam da. Say so afa chebi kro no da. It's because of some illegal mining activities. Utu weni a kwaye mu ho. Once o matututu.
Oh no, wonim here.
Minim ya de.
Insuno in the forests and
ba mai me say sa u chechire mu masa. Me say nsu afa kuro no. Nsu afa Chebi state no mo ke wa hwe. Na mo bubotu you are just firing on all cylinders just like that. Huh? na enya abai to me na do ni na pamfo etumi na wo mo wa e den saka yi to hwe papa panyimu hwe
na asama tamfo e wo jebi
Esha ochima asama tamfo esha ochina ase the emotion TV sui the emotion TV sui chebi na aflade sa we ya emotion TV so chebi na aflade yes
Kenya ase esha opem so ase na se ka se kuma se aflade a o se Kenya ase
No. What he say is say, "O say chebi aflade." Na opeso che say, "Kane na nti sa ba galamsey na ama chebi aflade."
Na chebi aflade.
Enya na mo say. That is on TV. It is vivid and clear.
There na say body defense be na oboy.
President.
Ada ko post.
Na pacho. Pacho SL. Me frɛ wa homa so me introduce you na.
Defense be na.
O kana say man.
So na go be Krono na aflade no. Afede ya menim za ko wado tumi kakra wa nyanti munya mpese mu frichi. Kono kotra chebi o. Kono kotra chebi o. Kono kotra chebi o.
Kasa me akode.
Na se ade. U kotra ha no yesa na do ofori ata so de. U ba ye be more post. So open na sa. Kono kotra.
Kasa me ko.
Na tu di ofori ata.
Me go school at Boakye State College. Now those times so share a Brim River. Now you cost swimming womb. Sixth form. I went to Boakye State College. We were swimming in it. That is the problem now. Achem kwa onum bremun and now be kono utumi num.
And I as a milk.
And that is the problem. That is the problem.
And none me ready
now nam kwan no ho mo sign post be for red what trap or trace hold you the fees
that's me travel geography friends here go any
ya anti I buy to me abedi omo kakra no mo de yesterday we so I'm expecting the interior minister all the relevant agencies they must condemn this act.
No, but this one is
they must condemn them.
This gun blazing thing at Asamanta.
Asamsi ana emrante eko yi tu no bia pepe na ebi ejisu ebi ekote we o man how you go to stay straight bullets cross wall.
Yeah, straight bullets with makumo.
So straight bullets wo na there and nobody is encouraging this thing and tie dem pa na sia mo na mo sia se mo de Ghana ha mo na mo ni sebi mo na mo ni nyansa si obi a I want to use legitimate means. I'm say Adea Akye state call Adea state Boakye state muntimi
me how ne say
muntimi nyuzu
papa ya o she
legitimate means
Francis papa ya o she batakari achim dabrehene ono no ne dwuma a yese odi ni say on ahemfo enka ne niam na yese shomo no to benkum hene of Asamantamfo say Eastern miners for inviting a calling that do say community mining na mranche ne person mo ye no and asase no your omo dia and no se send me problem get me document I say not just aban yem for so because aban to me for community mining land and some small scale mine at the same time yem fa ma enti mo ma documents o ma share ni ma documents na ma and I'm invited is almost now. Man, 100. That's what he's alleging. They'll give him 100,000 Ghana cedis. Omode onone ahimfumi enu so beto payroll so. Every man. Na omo kwaina omo ma and also there be. The community youth no omo ye mining wo ho no. Ya demarcated lands no. Ama omo a surveyors abeye nti no omo kwa akoye adwuma. Etinya de omo pene. And also Small Scale Miners Association penny back also friend man the same promise as Sikana radio on the man 1 penny to officer 1 penny no state secretary say Ochehine Efre Minerals Commission penny ni say omunfa asase bia ma Asamantamfo Mr. Monfa picture no ento the picture that is showing say omobe no great community mining no Shade Asamantamfo community mining scheme. Etiwa East MP hwan road minister share picture na wo amakwata
na west no ye abna o say as dem
amu mienu na da ho no why na pagya ne sa na na dan kwa kufuado ena minister for lands hwan abugina po oni minister oko inaugurate here Mrekuduka. So how can you say ya more china man yentino or china sase it one there on premier community mining tino or manage tax force akoye say man. I was expecting the state secretary to tell me say or china krani mo she. He has said it emphatically say nana and the catcher divisional commander say only the omo. So tax force no kono. They alleged said there were guys minimum so free Nima Omuka together with Ochin Mine Tax Force plus divisional commander and Ben community divisional commander no yeah community mine in launch no yeah inaugurating not all and nothing I'm almost for you see almost see for the second time Saint Crawford make attempt to see Chrome and yeah why should this thing happen? Yet Yasumjim, Burkina Faso, just 3 days ago, hey, cool. How do we joke with our security like that?
Yauji, with the president backyard. But acquire I want to be very careful.
Yeah.
Because Ochehene is involved.
Yeah.
The statement normally by now. But what I'm saying is that we there your man paying money backyard, and there was some final solution to solve problem before it gets out of hand.
Yeah.
You see, Abanankasa seems to be very confused. So our community money and and at the end, the essence of the community money is a brantia or more mining area, no more galamsey,
Let's regulate.
Let's regulate them. That is it.
And yes, small scale mine up.
A regulation. Say yaw wo baji wa eka na didi so isa baji quarter acre na didi so dodovi baji 2 acres na didi so
and now they all do 2 na ma
some guys na me na make yeah
oh che ama we quarter ama me 1 for 2 enya we anopa me che me ma me hutri anopa me che ye de adi ye anopa me che ma ohini ni ayi kwabra ka se mo bia wa na mfatre
you know no ye jobo
ye huni wa ye jobo ti no onya mai
wow. And that is the essence of it. Some ranting no more catchment area.
Yes.
No more degradation.
A brilliant idea by the president.
Degradation about there. Yeah, we crown ya toda now. Mumaku for the necessary for. We a brilliant idea.
It is a brilliant idea. No.
Small scale.
Oh, now the open abasuka kana ye dey. Anamo 2 years. Have 15 communities now. Omo community man. Kono asumgi aba.
The American say they are okay. E wo hodada. Ana uni kruma. Ya o chama pe yesu na mebo ho ase de wo tu kruma. What am I saying? E wo hodada. Sa nyema ya Kenya e wo hodada. Emra no kra say e wo so mo ye ba de e wo mo ene pa ye kan wasem. MPP for buyer susuna e da ene sifo de MPP for me say ye na yenko kwaye mu. But MPP for today they are going into forest reserves. Forest reserves no so no eye abrofo no be 80% the abrofo na dua sa nua no jamaye once a forest reserve no e bi there be 1920 e bi there 1920 achimota forest mo na there be bia gold so wo pa eye forest reserve because forest reserve bia no nso e de enam nso na namu so no ska kokko apart from Jerry John Rollins in the 90s, I obeyed take no.
Yes.
They can colonial regimes.
Buzia.
Colonial regimes.
Buzia diatic pa.
Any a yimu and a Rollins. And she said, I had a good never one. It was so. But Jack, say a room as yes, we will not have any ecological system again.
Yeah, it's true.
So what you say? And you know the idea, and he said, I was a renting, you know. They should not go into the forest and destroy our water bodies. That is it. Anything that perhaps somebody said we buy. But you see, the truth of the matter is, sir, we have been for reclamation. Some back at Takata, so now there. When you say the mangrove so more reclamation, no more too good room. And to be a more demand ranty and say, or more any community mining. Gold will hold. Nti omo ntiase se penfo no bi ntiase se e wo se de massa mranti wi a ebra mo excavators a o metimi didi ho mo na yi eno na this problem we nyina ba na ka eden na institution to minerals commission o company A o krata adamebwa na yenim say legitimate eden na yesa edema obi say yenkoye
go to a community mining
in any case it's a benefit no huge. The only thing you could do is to do another relocation. And I'm on paper. Say we dear, my penis and I'm munching mom. Always I'm going to go to Shanty. You are by mono. Many guys no more hono. Omoko agency for concessions. But I'm more regulating such a manner. Say, Omo annual no more to 2 more day. You may know. Area homoko.
No, DB or more demand.
Into Moya no more bent or more feed na betting me blasting because millions of dollars. No more for regional security council meeting. Near transnational say, no, your friend leadership of small scale miners. Say, had a mamunko because a hano a critical. In Fidiana, one say blast here. On betting my show almost be $1 billion. In Fidiana Casa, any a Juma be 2-3 days or Bernard. Now we move on. But wait there, people in higher places at the excavators. And that is answer being in a bow. People don't care. About way, people don't care. People don't care. Found. On be a person what in a car.
Ada dear Canada, Caben or Mabo. Montio Moka.
That's what my sponsor by. My sponsor, my finance campaign. My finance campaign. And to be a person what in a car. Tina cost the excavators. Go Mukwa Mofu and Omojuan. Nankasa Adea Tantante with the Yaw. I expect the president might issue sector minister and interior minister. Because I didn't have a say I'm so number and people typical of black man.
As it's happening now, me say last week, me new abako or a small scale miner, Goku, dear. Or say manso wa treso ya. I'm say or more plan so more community mining be no munya I say I'm say I could this small scale penny be one ordinary excavator say ba military and police almost mu dwane also yaw many ni onye so be say the boys armed themselves are fena and sick kind of man no dey twen wo mo no excavator be see no be anko e fi sa da no every day o mo wen we shouldn't get there.
Oh, now no we shouldn't get there. You see, when people have interest, they don't care whatever happens. That is as simple as that. Now, Mandika catch us a John Jinapodian and one mystery. Abu Jinap. Because Jack, we should age the position or war, Nibun Crofua or more war party.
No, I say also Bampenin, Amani to me too. He is acting in the stead of the president.
And Ranajo on some show be. You see, Penny to make us we diagram you would deny the idea.
And Ranajo.
Oh, one show, you know. And Ranajo me call radio so. And it was that much me threatening in Accra. One jado, I remember you would. But what you should know is in the hierarchy of the political parties, people are more powerful than the minister.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
There are people who are closer to the
godfathers.
They are godfathers. Super godfathers. And we have minister. And then she said, you are the final arbiter. And so the Juman about to offer you man to one penny baby. Now the echo idea. Because he's also crying. Also, him. Now he's lecture. I feel all lecture, you know. Say I'm from Palace. I'm from Fokao. DC Fokao. Galamsey Biya to no district. And I'm a and it's a DC, you know. Or I should hide a distraction bar. When I was a who responsible. Why? Because in that hierarchy, some president is chairman of regional national security council. And I'm a regional minister, regional security council.
Resec.
Music. Dissect. I see all the security apparatus now. A district no. Unya briefing from all. And say you no more. There are certain DCs. Our more workroom. Sapati penny for more from one. Omotimen kasa. E show mo where we omo. So Monty can because they cannot betray their own party. And I will. So, Jack, I have a very difficult situation. Now, I mean, in all this, no, I'm not expecting any excuse. The yen pay action, number one. Because the trio can say, Juma, who fly helicopter, then I'm sure I will show you. So, you're benefit at the cost of the state to the state. A man in a boca. And you won't come and betray somebody who say, I said, the idea was take action now. You must take action. By law, no. So, take action. Now, pin on him say, Abia Sebi, or anyway, and a yes, the appropriate courtesies are what you been in a call. So, I'm to sign a mona. I hope so, you know, say, a chill say, or anyway, complicit, was that issue with one. Not in the ball anywhere. He will not spare him. Because
also, or he so, as Antimera so case. Omo ye galamsey semia no more de be frofro ahemfo no no. You have taken ahemfo mra nyina fi omo nsem na mo de akogu enkran. Na Minerals Commission Ahmad Francis Dodovi license aman concession abra wa mo hina mane. Ohini wo ho no ma obu okra na omu ade kra o ma hemfie kra machia wo. Do abeka chan so yama me concession oje nkrata no hwe ene so emre mu no yama no prospecting license so famra me yi ensase na da ho no ye de ama no ono ohini no to me be na that moment or wa obetimi akase ompene.
You see, the funny thing is that on my way ensase ya ya him for dia.
Yeah,
but a good day no
ayo man penny na ehwe so amai.
Wow. Eti a bit conflicting. These are two issues. And this assassin okra me say mempele ma wo maso a agudie no so
agudie na assassin so betime to agese ya adwiri
exactly
wasase nansa.
Wow.
Emra ben
I think that we must re-look at our laws because they are okay prospecting and then say go to galamsey
say no I don't know be
but so obi enya prospecting license e no officer it is license to
but that is what they are doing now.
Say na make no so we must look at it. Say there may I know of big companies are omoji prospecting licenses prospecting any day so omo say agudie e wofom
say agudie o hweso a e was so to amana kakra
ebia yamano ebia be 100 acre land
to what the 1 acre hwe
or the 1 acre
we who na 100 ni nyina
random sampling no best practices so be for geologists.
Yes,
geologists no better than room
I may say by the time I be aware na 100 ni nyina wa dwiri ni nyina egu
as a matter of fact China for no more banner Ghana for radio minim omoko gisa prospecting license na no mu ye galamsey prospecting no am now mbetukra no and I asked myself the Minerals Commission for no more because we are prospecting
they are supposed to have a supervisory role why did you see cutting crime
wow onim say na almost here no prospecting omo mo geologists no e dey mo prospecting omo boto bi omo omo dey call laboratory. So you don't need that huge excavators now there. It's a sandvik for you. Usa sample no kakra, mo boa no na mo bopex na there. Say be a highway we. No more that laboratory. Anti be be papa no.
O be catch you.
Say ha no. Good wa ha. Say ni. But say there. Onyaji prospecting licenses na. That's what tam excavators. E da ko room ho. Who go be send some fan crata about the crata about room a prospecting license.
What 2 BPA.
So who is in charge now? Minerals Commission, chief executive now. Does he understand his job? It is high time we start firing people till we get results. And I'm a boy.
I agree with you.
President one somewhere. But he must make sure say he protects here because you soon yaw. The Obia, and I want to say, you will import water.
Yeah, can so we are getting there.
We are getting there gradually.
Okay, Ezo.
What?
Brem.
Omanhene.
Yes, my brother.
Come away there. Say national security nkomo. Ena yidi no sa no. Asem no ano hye. Say you mududu na no kra. Me say ofa Ghana yen population ya. Omanhene say nyemu 3% kra gold omo hu bida. Na wonya ebia 0.25% a omo wo gold da omo fie da. Few people and what the privilege so omo hu gold da. ɛna kakra bi koraa na wokɔ ne fie wobɛtumi apagya gold. So the interests of the larger population should not be sacrificed for the few people. Omano the resources are put it in their trusts. Say Monfa enye.
That's a long time, bro.
It's been a very
Anyway, okay.
So the larger interests of the population could not be sacrificed for the few people who are they should be thankful to the rest of us. Say to me the omano resources say the ama almost say almost so yesu adwumana omoridi. I am one person. I will always advocate for small scale mining and say the innovative one ever say community mining. The reason being that say you to me a year mining no a year. We call World Bank, we call Bank of England, we call America. Adea Akye Abia mo music and you're strong. There you go.
Around Sompa or Ghana now boss on the pay.
They don't mind. It be almost assassin, it be or China almost.
Around Sompa.
But say unfortunately, you penny was in to South Africa there.
China will gold chain Ghana.
Good.
But omuntu 5%.
Oba ewiase a amana omo ewo gold paano. So omo gold a omo reserve no. Ghana etoso adioson 70. Omo say enye said gold wo asase o. So dear aban no see me gold ni amede kire o court ne reserve agudi a wo ha ye gold a o de kire no ye to so adioson na wo pe aman so a omutu gold kese a gold wo mo ho a we omo de no kra e doubtful because you cannot tell me say American are they mining?
Yeah, they mine.
Okay, Ghana to 6 the whole world. Maybe a gold free pano. Ghana 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over Africa, Ghana is number 1. South Africa is number 2. Now South Africa, the more gold reserve, no maybe 120 me more. Number 2 Ghana Africa home. But ye promo more gold. Man who South Africa we say 120.
You gold so about gold reserve there boy buy it also 70.
So I am one person all the time. I will advocate for small scale mining. And no Ghanaian. Small scale mining being done by a Ghanaian.
A local.
Under no circumstance should we give a small scale mining license to
a Chinese,
a foreigner. No, Chinese to a foreigner. Good. And even if I was said Obemua, explicitly the law should make it not more than 30%. Because a strategy to take commanding height of your economy. To take commanding height of your economy. Encourage your own people instead of investing in dollar. Encourage them to invest in gold. So, say see a speculative attack. Eba see this year. Yeah, and Crawford say because a CD, elusu one the cardinal principle store of value. Elusu and Crawford say they can
store in dollars.
No? In dollars, you know. The same attitude could have been channeled into buying of gold. Gold no kwakoto the Ghana CD no kwakoto.
Yeah.
You don't need dollar. So economic management, you know, it should be part of our strategy.
Oh, but said now they've introduced now government of Ghana, Bank of Ghana is now going to buy. It's going to first have the first option. Say gold to be a free Ghana Habiano.
Ebikuta 12 million. Ebikuta 30 million. We are doing 12. Say 8K. What you say? We still have a long way to go. But it's a good start anyway. Yeah. Let us commend the management of Bank of Ghana, to an extent, Finance Ministry and the government, to have allowed us to use our own currency to buy and store. Yeah. Because you can consume it. But for you to take a investment decision, say there be mean to me nisikano net, it's a plus. I have wrote several articles. Say I don't see why still PMMC is still dormant. In the sense, say the strategic umbrella no should be say, let us encourage the small scale mining, the community mining. Now, be regular, regulatory to a sense, say the only entity that is mandated to buy from you should be PMMC. In this case, and monitoring should be also paramount. Say what the concession amount, be it small scale or community mining, every 2 months we need to assess you. So you can tell me, say, what grounds are unya go down ameboa. Unya go there, then it is not viable. Close it.
Too close no.
Ameboa. Because you cannot tell me, say, what 2 months unya go, and still you want to mine.
And the gold is unya in a way.
You see, you still want to mine. And yet now it is not viable. Stop. So we will have a legitimate grounds because to me say as I say unya gold. Yeah. It doesn't make sense. Yeah. Stop. So it will force everybody to sell it to PMMC. Let us use PMMC because we already have that institutional framework there. Who said for no be checking out because legally they don't have any responsibility, but we all have responsibility as a people, fundamental responsibility, because there have been several instances a krobi kroy ekwanye to mobilize them ranch am broken road ya sese ties wo kwam ekwanye bibi koso ye mpene ya. So if say ye local people no we still feel say yes, so say what you can sit in your Accra to issue your license. Yes, you feel say you be feeling the brand. We can still stop you.
Yeah,
we can still stop you. So the responsibility a cut across. Let not any Ghanaian make any attempt. The president should be part. The minister is part. Mineral Commission is part. Forestry Commission is part. None of them are part. EPA part. Me and you, we are part. Adjumano, ye konto kwana ne dru baby na ye jemu. We started this galamsey fight very well. Yeah. Immediately after 2017. But the dru baby no. Me anam tifi na me assessment I'm say debut. I say wama media na misleading no into community fighting galamsey. Do you know why? E dru baby no na galamsey fight no ababe aban no against Nkrofona Omutu no. What you want na obi bashi aban. Ena ye Nkrofo ya ompese ye 2 year free na omuso bayi. Obehu kwadwo pepra no na forest no ka galamsey asem. Obehu kwaku bo no na forest no ka galamsey asem. So at one breath aban no ko ade no. Other breath ne major opponent say there be muntua banti aban no.
Do you know where the media got a bit
relaxed,
disappointed? Not relaxed.
Okay.
The media got disappointed when excavators started missing. TBA. Sa 500 excavator issue ne buy. Now I bet dab on tin say excavator enye panye. Enye bottle. Na ekwa issue no galam stop for no issue ne buy. And I say empanimfo bi a no mo wa ban mu nso ye kosisi omo excavators a eba bonten say nipa we eye aban nipa na aban ni se enya no mo de omu di no. I tell you, say me media. I speak to a lot of our seniors.
It is true.
And no the man,
but the problem is that
Ministerial committee was implicated.
Yes, Charles Bisu. Yes.
That is the excuse you are giving.
And no excuse. It's a genuine thing that happens. Gadio, me no din komo. On my assurance, me no call. When I find out, say and somehow can you know, no crow, so one crow for. That is where the media.
Listen to me.
Relaxed.
Listen to me. The reason why media relaxing, right? You are telling me, say you got disappointed.
Yeah,
One.
it's true.
There be you didn't come out. And yes, sir, a legitimate and I say any legitimate. You say you got disappointed because you say you started say she excavators. Maybe excavator me it be era and I'm a good. The fighting against galamsey, some people entering in reserves, destroying our water bodies. Any excavator ira and your man is easy, right? But the two are mutually exclusive. So we could have as well fought excavator now will be so be a real so be a yedena. It's a legitimate fight, but that should not stop us from also bashing the people who are doing it. The two are mutually exclusive. But immediately we will give excuse, and right now the government probably I think the government also relaxed in the sense to say, oh, who say yeah call elections. The major opponent, I say, more galamsey for nyina mo to abentiano. At that time, the government has been stripped naked. You almost say Adea Akye back it off. So legitimately, the government could have also given excuse. Say I also became G3, and which is untenable. But as some may can say me, Omanhene.
But you agree with me? Say the government also relaxed.
Good, maybe some many edema to horse me. And I may excavator so. Mamma my excavator and enter forest. Nessa my excavator me and son. Name the ababe gu be quiet. Nessa me aira. Mon so mi musa excavator na aira. Nemum se who se will be so enter forest reservoir. And kase esela magalams excavator me and son aira will be quiet inti. Obi kura forest moa. Men ka ho asem. That is why I make sure say we can all nobody can give excuse. You could die, but we need to reactivate this fight because right now our cocoa sector is under threat. Obuasi anka wa hunu bi da. Be mfie duni what obuasi anka da.
Na me di bi ba say bio.
Say cyanide and mercury, and apart from that, it is also causing and other diseases the government will have to dole out money to fight these diseases.
And even the danger now
and
is
the
cocoa.
danger as for the cocoa immediately we lose that fight because as we are sitting here today, cocoa has always been the only rescue route for our currency.
Let me quote for you. Government secures 1.3 billion to purchase cocoa.
Good.
Edian na buying it to me ekonya asa 1.3 no. Because cocoa beans will be sent and ometuma cotton.
Do you know what? Yeah, you talk cocoa, right? Yeah, you talk cocoa. You sika che Cote d'Ivoire. Meanwhile, Cote d'Ivoire produce che.
Yes.
All because it is so
quality. Premium. Now we are almost losing the premium.
Oh, we sold it. We always sell it at a premium.
Sure.
So
I
tell you, and right now Japan has started scaling down.
Japan the almost idea to
procurement of cocoa. And we've not been able to produce Ghana chocolate. Japan is producing Ghana chocolate for us in Japan. Selling no you see
nobody's not good
to expand
Francis.
Please
nobody is not good
no me say
to what extent for how long you remember they were
stop the interjection one thing Adea Akye said omu produce ade no omu krom they could have named it Japanese chocolate but they have named it Ghanaian chocolate selling our country for us but we have not been able to do that. Now, woko asema esi ye
so see etimi nya ye nia ye factories
etuo no asem e wasaba tamfo.
That's right.
National security and defense ministry they have disappointed me and they have disappointed the president as well. Because by now national security minister should have rounded these people up. Why are you sitting there? And sometimes Omanhene Yana my reho na do dan kwa kufari ma na bredo do. You see, Who are you afraid? And you, a district commander, he should have been interdicted.
Divisional commander.
Yes. Should have been interdicted. Why do you allow a town security
task force
now command you to go and do this?
Because Ochinyene has commanded him.
I don't agree. You don't agree? If I'm a security divisional commander and you call me, I will not come. I don't respond to you. And did you even tell your regional minister?
No.
Did you tell your district chief executive? Why do you do this ourselves? Then you in fact, sometimes I ask myself, what kind of people do we have in this country? Because me, I won't do it. Me, maybe even our own party. Some people call me in the middle of the night to come and do something. I told go and tell this man. Me, Michael Mills, elections and research officer for Insurance. I say I won't do it because you hear me. I'm in pain. So and no money be on my own. What I say because imagine say we always have unfortunate victim. The unfortunate victim is the government or the party. Me a party executive. But go away, galamsey no crabby me who be that. Right? Me nim say this here.
So what ban bonus?
So why do I sit down for somebody out of his parochial interest and insatiable greed? Na me ma to the minister must act because me wan krate wa ya. Asemu ibai Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources, you've issued your communique. Mineral Commission, you've issued a communique. Forestry Commission, you've issued a communique. Should they sit on paper?
Adea Akye say community mining was inaugurated.
So the point is that the community mining aspect, every Ghanaian should support that concept. We need to do it, but we should not do it in a manner say and capture. If you want to do large scale, do your large scale. If you want to do small scale, do your small scale. The community mining should be
for
a
community
for the
people.
community. Who come and son quanta. You see, and I think fine, President. I'm say he should do it. And the people who are being reactive instead of being proactive, let us get rid of them because it's becoming unbecoming. I don't get it. So who's heavy? What kind of heavy hand? You see, I mean, say what person me a minister. I am fighting a reasonable cause. Now say what also by me media. I will disgrace you before you get me sacked. I will disgrace you because who could him conquer? Every person setting me up. You are not a good person for me to protect you. Enuti, so kase will be some more thing. I don't get it. It is another excuse. No. It is another excuse. And I don't know if me boy. Obi some more than us out to wa. Me abranti ametem baby. Sabi me kwan san yes say. Get it. It is imagine it me say adwuma mba be enti na wo ti baby say wo na wo ye party panimu e na ye hwan enti me say me madwuma e de ahye me sasa me nye no wo ma me nye na wo pese o ye nyi madina manu aduane mo me a ade na me nika nwu anu ase
say mineral commission penny say ya mama ma ya sana.
Hey, you have a mandate. We shall list assignment you go here. Ya go to Mining and Mineral Act 703 Section 5.
Yes.
What by a constitution under Article 268 Clause 1. So should it take the president to come from the
to come and inform you,
come and tell you to
before you allow community mining in your area?
So
when did this thing happen?
Demarcating almost areas for community mining. I don't even know what they are doing. Kickstart, hit the ground running. Let it be transparent. Call people who want to do this. Let them do it. Don't allow any large scale person, any small scale man, because I don't know. Yeah, they solve a problem,
and people are stifling the solution.
Good, that is the solution.
Nigeria.
Are you Nigeria for Koye, Niger Delta?
Any Boko Haram.
We cannot sit down to allow few greedy people to take all of us to ransom.
Thank you very much.
Who has been put in the position? Be it what?
Masaba on chain. Mama share one.
Missy from. Let us be careful. There is no mining concession in Ghana here. I ain't no forest. no mining concession. Be it Anglo Gold, Oko Asanko, Anglo Gold Asanso, Oko Perseus, every mining we do in Ghana, especially the last scale, they degrade forest. I tell you.
Yo, Mati. Maybe I'll check.
No, but I can't say the Aga.
No, he is talking about Dodovidia was forest reserve. There's a difference between forest. He mentioned forest reserve. One can say forest. There's a forest, no. Now, son, I'll be to the soldiers who turn near. He's talking about forest reserve. Okay. Maybe one family clinic, pain expert, Mr. Lau. So, who to 2 hours and connom a draw say, me honam ya me yentimi no madro. Come here, show ya no baby free. Go be up to my sorry now, sisi ya yasa. No ade, bibia twitwitwi ho. No anom para bi na wa sorry na akọ. E de sad da ko agye ne nsem assemble to. Thigh pains, back pains, neck pains, abdominal pains, and any other pain in your body. Mr. One family clinic, we are pain experts. Yeah, the machine partner, a exclusive herbal treatment. Massage, physiotherapy, laboratory services. Yeah, when you know we are near somehow guidance and counseling, how you should go about. And did you send back on home care? We will fear at the comfort of your home. Just give us a call. We will come and take good care of you. Kumasi Patasi Estate Junction, Brotherman Spot, Ubu Kev so Urakwada so estate na. Ye hot chifo praso, asim for so agna so do man kesim. Fred 0546 68 68 17 0546 68 68 17. The name is One Family Clinic, the pain expert. Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services here there. Ya bobo modna di nubrano akoso asayade. Dr. Grace Bodu eko research no mu awaba na te see the one nam say Oshim School Junction ebu akwa di Agao fuel station chen. Say so na new Achimota Petroleum Banglo, New Family Life International School be huyen. Stroke, diabetes, pressure, hypertension, hepatitis B, typhoid fever, ulcer, peptic prostate cancer, penis enlargement, exclusive vaginal steaming, FMMA, afei infertility, akoya one money a day. Oh, Obapa Grace Bodu say break. One mere one pem, and our kotia debi, STDs and UTIs are hot draw. Fabra, now with the so skin infections in na. Friend 0543 320 030 0543 320 030 and 0244 126 123. X5 Restaurant and Pub. Ye kodio aduane beche kama. Banku and tilapia papa bi, lice soup, fish nkwan papa bi, goat meat papa bi, emre, enwa, aponkyenkrakra, ena akrantie, emono so jollof, white rice, and any stew ampe siwache, special fried rice, French fries, pizza. Weekend the banners a year will feel now per se ye aduane brewa ebe ye. Wedding so party bay. Ye ni nyina. Mesrewa say we a very good chef. Un me aduane noa. Ba continental bi bia odi mu a friend number we 0549 609697. Wow you hu this on we a good chef. Chef no nya chef no shi abonten chef o ko ni bi. We dey onu aduane nankasa 0549 60 96 97 na bibia anya dai enkoso ma me kai mo messages kakra bi na memra back na me ma abeja phone wrap it up Omanhene, good morning and your crew at Chewojua Barbering Booth. Good morning, I know there Summer boy is true. Josephine Lexus Omanhene Chama to me is not above the law. They should sanction him. What kind of Untumi is doing is destroying MPP. Okay, let's move on. Kweku controller Uncle my Adea Ghana non-crophobi Diana. Because what's happened is like it's been sold. IGP George Ekufu Dampare. He blast them. This is nonsense. Hey, Babia Omanhene Frimpunio. I want to leave. Oh, you are going too fast. Come back. Fawasemko Masa Daniel Furiata. Daniel Furiata is talking rubbish. Oh, what social intervention did NDC bring for every Ghanaian to get a share? NHIS or free SHS or school feeding program or nurses or teacher training? What about ambulance, free maternal care for women? NDC should tell the truth. How many charges did they do as compared to MPP government? Honorable Eric Nanajima, Prempe Nadmo Director. Go for it. Go move on. DJ Opai the more funk. NDC is against anything good. They were against free SHS. You start. Move on. Monitoring from the residents of Nabila, Greater Accra Regional Communication Director, Liberal Party of Ghana. Mukaila Jonas. Mukaila, the fight against galamsey cannot be fought to the core without NDC's full support. As the largest opposition party, they owe this country a responsibility of making the key aspect of our lives. This nature is fully supported. But what do we see? NDC has taken an entirely different path, but rather opposing them the fight indirectly. So it's time we ask, Mahama and his people to declare open support towards the fight. If not, it will be a 1 step forward, 2 step backward. In regards to Honorable Ophelia Mensah Hayford, why is it that sometimes JDM speaks as if he's the president of Ghana? If we have an opposition party who will fight against any good policy in Ghana, do you think the country will develop? The same NDC who fights against free SHS, e-levy, SIM cards, registration, and so on. Hey, Salasi, patriotic voices. Regards to Honorable Alakojo, we can never ever stop galamsey operation in this country because both NDC and MPP are biggest brain behind the galamsey business. We are just deceiving ourselves, wasting our efforts. Let's move on. The next one. Amisco Spelele. If we don't end galamsey, it will rather end us. Since it's a serious canker, so we must at all costs ban it to save our land and water bodies. Isaac J, Teacher Kujo, Tobodoma Dantase. With the NDC, Ghana can never see progress. NDC is too desperate for power. They are just bleeding and dozing because what President Kufuor is doing is killing them rough. Honorable Priest Christopher Amia Kumfi, greetings from somebody to you. Saeed Hamid, all the leaders in our communities are not protecting our rivers because of their selfish. Alaji Fresh is what? Viking Balbuli, Amicus Korea, you guys should continue with your foolishness. When the country is being destroyed by the Kufuor administration, even your foolishness and failure, you always attribute it to NDC. That's quite harsh. Isaac J. Let's move on to the next one. It's not easy to fight. Calm down. It's not easy to fight galamsey in this country because some of our political leaders and some chiefs are involved. So they should rather transform it to small-scale mining to create jobs for the youth. Regards to Michael or say, then he spoke. Oh. Okay, move on. If the government has failed to fight against galamsey, then we should blame the NDC because they are those who are moving around galamsey side in 2020, telling them NDC will, when voted into power, will give them the opportunities to Kuka and Dr. Baumia, the vice president. If the bro, try to tell the truth. MPP are still blaming NDC. Wisdom can come. Nana, free your mind. It says Omanhene, good morning, Rekwa Mufa or Adea. It's not a former MP, but he's the younger brother of Apapem Chief. Okay. So no, I can't say no. Apapem Chief. That's a good now. May the good Lord guide and bless you and your crew members. My regards to Omanhene Yaw Obaya. Aaron Babako Misa. Good morning to you, galamsey. Of the issue of galamsey, I tell you, we don't need a rocket scientist or economic prophet to tell us that the government is not going to win the fight. This fight can only be achieved or be a winning fight if only, what next? The government adhere to the following factors. 1, the government must involve the chiefs in the process of the fighting, either in writing or by other means. Family heads within galamsey areas must be the first point of contact anytime the government wants to take action against illegal mining. 3, government must find a better alternative economic. Calm down a little. Economic route for the youth within galamsey areas that I think within the galamsey that I think can compel them to stop the whole process. John Brain, good morning, Mr. Host. Joe Brainy from Asin. Greetings to our hero and best agric minister in the Fourth Republic. Papa, God richly bless you with more wisdom. As we journey to election 24, we know you and we believe in you. Okay, that is for Aku prayer. All right, let me come to the studio. Francis, your final words in a minute and we wrap up.
Yeah.
Yes,
Will
sir.
I be right to say the president is a lame duck president?
That would be too harsh a word to describe a
Whatever,
president.
but that is how I think.
No.
I mean, seriously. Say,
No, Francis.
And then I kind of sympathize.
That word is too
So a lame duck, Nana.
it's too harsh a word for a president. Please.
But if all these things
No.
are going on, and this is what tell me what word I should use.
Minima small person can send me now person can. Say wada.
Now and I.
That can say wada. That brofo no explain
I can't say with him.
o can say lame daka.
Aye.
As a obi a as a emum. You chi na no
I
ode.
can't professor lame duck. And he men can
Chi ni
choose lame
say.
duck.
No man can.
Me say,
Chi ni nye.
okay, and he me name some Mr. Kano.
So Adea won't
And
do
me
Kano
too.
Chi,
The
Kano
president
Chi.
is a lame duck president. And that is a
As a-
perfect word I want to use for it.
As a toothless bulldog.
Toothless
For another
bulldog.
way.
He
But
can't take any
it's
action.
a harsh word.
Oh, when he has the day.
Francis.
No, don't pamper Nana Akufo-Addo. Stop pampering.
We are not pampering.
Stop
He's the
pampering.
president of the Republic
So
of
what?
Ghana.
So what?
So what?
Who has denied that? Who has disputed that?
He is the president.
Nobody has disputed that. But
And the
his
presidency must
Oh,
be given
Master.
that decorum.
Master,
Francis.
his action must be described in appropriate context. And that is it. He's a lame duck president. As a diakos no wonim. Now, how many times now? The crowd for Akoko just actually to Abobo Tua, one fee, the minister, Obi interior minister, a defense minister, then Obi Akasa. Is that what you want? You can't always say he's a
That's not what I want.
But nobody is disputing that.
Thank you very
He
much.
must take action. So I don't lame duck.
So tell him to take action.
I mean, that is appropriate what I have to use.
All right.
Somebody who's a
Mami
lame duck.
Brown Che. Wrap up for me.
This is what right. Moving on, I think sir, we cannot always come and sit here to lament. See, you know, when we set objectives near see a follower, obi obe follow off biano. Yemfano and two. Master say, it is behind us, but it is worth it when we keep on reminding ourselves. Say when you get the former president. Kase mo galamsey for me ba me yimo de monya no ho we see say if we continue with that attitude, that's an NDC crab power. Then MPP for you should take it that tangent. I tell you, we can never win.
Let's all fight galamsey.
Alternative livelihood way for galamsey areas. You know, the government has a very elaborate plan, but yakwa say
Na mu nchirem.
Omo mo krum ho no. Oh, say
As almost what
minu
boy mfita.
No, you see your teachers kai. And one abosom so managing in kakran. Ba me sika na dem abosom me be a 2000 2005 na. Between managing abosom no na you say. Enso no. So
I galamsey guy.
I didn't say senka API ye hwe na nka.
All right. I'm first here.
And penifo betumi aye the sika ba. If we are tree planting no e ma na omo krum no say show mo sa. In kakran it will keep the economy.
It will help us. On the note of that, we say thank you for joining us. Tomorrow is Kawasem. We'll go across Ghana. We'll give you the opportunity. Now, Abidjan for Benin, Togo, Benin, Nigeria for no so say Kawasem. Now say you my frame. Almost say Ghana for more West Africa because of multi TV channel. Until they watch us every morning. It's a China. Don't worry. We'll go to West Africa and.
So, omoma omaimu
And you.
see utu wai opem so ese opese
and he will do it. We trust he will do that.
One can take me for some money.
Just before the sunya a tuo no tron. I don't know so I'm reality. 21st clinic. Wasem TLB the mount. Dr. Blessed Foster. Yentino.
Wante unipeduase a wote ayaresase